India's airline, Air India faces scrutiny after European aviation regulator faces safety lags. If lapses are go beyond a particular threshold, then airline could be banned and number of flights could be reduced. EASA, who can check any airline in Europe for its safety deficiencies anytime. EASA raises concern about multiple safety deficiencies found in Air India during surprise inspection at European airports. These inspections are part of Safety Assessment of Foreign Aircraft (SAFA). They find Air India's fine per inspection ratio reached 1.96 in January 2026. If this exceeded 2, then it would cause serious regulatory action. But a good airline ratio must be less than 1. This indicates the serious concern about safety regulation per inspection. What is EASA? European Union Aviation Safety Agency, which sets standard for aircraft safety and pilot certification, which set maintenance standard. Any foreign airline flying to Europe must follow EASA standards. But why Air India has more finding ratio? First number of observation is aging aircraft fleet. Air India inherited many old aircraft from the government like Boeing 777 and Boeing 787. Old aircraft frequently show worn design and broken seats or broken interior. Second, longer routes due to geopolitics. Because of war-like condition between Pakistan and India, Pakistani airspace is now unavailable. Then we have to take a longer route. If I have to go from India to North America, then we have to take longer route to reach that point. Many flights are stopped in Vienna for refueling. This increases exposure to European inspection. More landing in Europe causes more chances of inspection. And due to the Middle East conflict, we have to take a more longer route. Third, systemic engineering problem. Air India faces major issue in recent years. Examples like technical incident happening in early 2026 engine foil leak. These issues indicates weak maintenance and operational system inherited from past management system. That's it for this video. Subscribe if you like geopolitics, business, tech like this.